take my sticky notes out, because we don't really need these. Okay. I like to go outside to look around and discover things. So here's a little girl. She's getting ready to go outside. What is all this down here?
Good morning.
Leaves.
Morning.
Yeah, leaves. What color are they?
Red.
Red and orange and yellow. That's right. Okay. To take a really close look, here we go. There's a flower, and now you can see it even closer and even closer.
What is that?
It's a poppy flower. So I have a question. The question is, what can we use in our classroom to get a closer look at leaves and flowers? So we're thinking, get your partner. So for